Now that we have the mattress situated, it's attached to the bed, the CPR valve is shut, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna hang the pump at the foot of the bed. Now we have the pre-attached air hose here. Remember, that can split if need be to make installing the tubes onto the valves any easier. Go ahead, fit those valves over, just push those down as best you can to get a good seal. Once those are nice and securely connected, get your air hose out of the way, hang the pump here, switch that on, and for the fastest inflation, turn the pump all the way up to firm. Thanks so much for watching our video. If you like the videos, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below with any questions you might have.